Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today I want to do a brief walkthrough on a 2026 Nautique G25. Taking a look at the exterior, we have the Mystic White main stripe, Sahara Sand accent stripe, and then also the Admiral Blue. All the colors here in the whole side do complement the tower, which is collapsible. We do have our strapless board racks, bimini top and boot with surf pockets. Making our way to the stern of the boat. This does have the Nautique Surf System, NCRS, and then also our steer assist. This is optioned with underwater lighting and powered by the PCM ZZ6 450 horsepower. Making our way inside here. Got some great seating if you're anchored and hanging out. Nautique does a great job with the non-skid all around the boat so that when you're getting on and off, you're not stepping on your upholstery. Nice center walkthrough. It goes all the way up to the bow. Tower speakers, strapless board racks. A lot of seating here in a 25-foot boat. It's really built for entertainment with our cup holders, our seat that folds back. Got our spotter seat up there on the port side. So everyone can watch and see what's going on behind the boat. Up here at the helm, do have our hotkeys. Great place to charge your phone. LINC Panoray screen for all your ballast control, your lighting, and then audio, also your navigation. Ergonomically really sound. When this is filled with ballast, you have great visibility over the bow, and then our recessed glove box over here. Making our way to the bow. This is optioned with a bow filler cushion. Nice wide seating all around. Again, this is a 2026 Nautique G25 located here at our store in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by. Thanks.